Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all. So today I'll be teaching you chapter 2, lines and angles. So for this chapter, actually, the time given should be 2 weeks. So I'm giving you 2 weeks to view this video and do the exercise lah. And the exercises is actually based on the book that I asked you to purchase. So hopefully you manage to get the book as soon as possible so that you can do the exercise lah. In the meantime, we just watch this first. Okay, the details of chapter 2 is in the book. Okay, the definition of an angle. Notation for angle BAC, or it can be written as CAB, or it can be written as angle of A, meaning that this is the angle. Okay, if it noted, the notation is BAC, so you focus on the middle of the alphabet lah. So basically that is the angle situated. Or it also can be written as CAB again. The middle notation is A, right? So that is where the angle is situated. Or this one is also the same, BAC lah. It's actually the same. Okay, and then we have two types of measurement. We have degree and we have in terms of radian. So pi radian is actually equal to 180 degrees. So you must memorize this one. Okay, 180 degree is what? A straight line. Okay, from here to here, that is 180. So this is pi. And how about a full circle? Full circle is 2 pi lah, which is 360 degree. Okay. Okay, types of angles. So this one, since this is ODL, you don't need to memorize. Just in case you came across this term, this type in your question, what is reflex or what is straight angle? Don't worry, you can always refer back to your notes, your book. Okay, it is an open book assessment. Final assessment also is an open book. You can check back with your book ataupun kalau dan tekan Google kan. Tapi usually my students said that madam tak sempat lah nak Google lah, tak sempat sian je. So make sure you have all your notes in front of you and you must understand how to answer this topic lah, or else you'll be in blur. So the first type is acute angle. This is the illustration. The characteristic is in the acute angle must be in between 0 to 90 degree. This is 90 degree kan? Tegak ni. Ni. This is 90 degree kan? So an acute angle must lie in between 0 to 90. Itu acute angle. And how about right angle? Right angle adalah tepat-tepat 90 degree. Oh, macam G pula. Tak apalah, dia jawab faham. Okay. It must be, the angle must be 90 degree. Obtuse angle, so it lies in between 90 degree up until 180. Ni kita punya tu. Ni supposedly lah straight. Alah, buruk lah pula. Okay, sepatutnya ni straight line lah, ambil hot ni. So, basically this is 0, this is 90 degree, this is 180. So, an obtuse angle is actually in between here lah, kat area sini. Line dia kat sini ke, from here to here ya. Kat sini ke, yang penting dekat sini je. From 90 until 180. Straight angle, straight angle saya dah cakap lah tadi. Garis lurus ni lah. Faham lah kan garis lurus kan? Ni di sini ke sini. 180. Kalau dah belajar dengan saya satu semester nanti awak akan perasan tulisan saya memang cantik. Macam doktor you. How about reflex angle? Okay, reflex angle, it lies in between 180 until 360. So what is 180? Yang ni. Ya, ni 180 lah. This is 180. This is 360 kan. Dia pusing penuh adalah 360 kan. So dia lies in between kat sini. Kita tukar warna lah bagi nampak sikit lah. Ya, dia dekat. Dia ada dekat sini, sorry. Ni kat bawah ni. Kalau ada jatuh dekat line kat sini ke, you kena tengok sampai sini. So that is what we call reflex angle. Ataupun yang saya kata sampai sini kan, kat sini. Janji dia berada pada medan sini. Dan kita panggil dia reflex angle. Okay. Pairs of angles. Adjacent angle. So a pair of angles which are side by side. Kalau dia berada di sebelah-sebelah, kita panggil dia adjacent angle. Complementary angle, okay, a pair of angle whose combined measurement equal to 90. Kalau dia combine ni, dia dapat is equal to 90 degree. Alah, tak cantik lah pada warna ni. 90 degree. Basically, dia adalah complementary angle. Dia X complement Y, Y complement X. Di mana total up X plus Y must be 90 degree kan? That's why dia panggil complementary angle. And how about supplementary angle? Okay, supplementary pula dia must be equal to 180 degree. Ni garis lurus. X supplement untuk Y. Y is a supplement of X. Di mana X plus Y must be equal to 180 degree. How about vertical angle? Okay, vertical angle, a pair of angles which are vertically opposite to each other. Ni berada di bertentangan. X duduk depan Y, Y duduk depan X. So basically dia punya angle adalah sama. Okay, equal. Okay, kita tengok example, pairs of angle. Given that the angle of A is 27 degree, find the angle of B if angle of A and B are complementary. So tadi complementary tadi adalah apa? Check back. Complementary tadi adalah dia punya degree, dia punya summation degree adalah 90 degree kan? So, kalau supplementary 180 degree. Ingat ya? So, complementary 90, supplementary 180. So based on this one, kita tahu complementary must be equal to 90 degree and for supplementary must be equal to 180 degree. So kalau A complement dengan B, so A plus B must be equal to 90, betul? So for kalau dia supplementary, A plus B must be equal to 180. So dia kata find B. Ni adalah soalan kita. What is our B? Dia bagi A je, 27 degree. Tukar pula warna, tak nak bagi boring. Okay, so this is A, 27 degree plus the angle of B must be equal to 90. So this one is persamaan serentak lah. So the left hand side kita tolak 27. So right hand side also tolak 27 degree. So this one what's left is the angle of B, 90 minus 27 degree. Tekan calculator, we will manage to get the answer 63 degree. If it's supplement, so A plus B must be equal to 180. So our A here already given in the question, that is 27 degree plus the angle of B must be equal to 180. So 180 minus 27, use your calculator je lah. Sebab ni kita nak hilangkan kat left hand side, so kita tolak 27 kat left hand side. And how about right hand side? We also minus 27 degree. This is simultaneous equation, okay? Persamaan serentak. Boleh ingat lagi lah nak buat persamaan serentak ya. 180 minus 27 degree, the answer is equal to 150 degree. Okay, let's look at the definition of parallel and transversal lines. So parallel lines are two lines in the same plane and do not intersect. Have the same distance apart at any given point. The symbol U is double dash lah. So dia adalah dua line yang tak intersect, tak bertembung, tak berintersect, tak berlanggar, tidak bercross among each other. Have the same distance apart at any point. Maksudnya dia punya distance ni sama lah. Katakan ni adalah 3 cm. Sini pun distance dia 3 cm. This one pun 3 cm. Tu maksudnya parallel. Dia kena sama. Dia tak boleh macam ni. Satu sengit sini, satu sengit sini. This is not parallel. Okay? Dia kena parallel tu maksudnya distance dia among these two line ni sama je. Kalau beza dia 1 cm, semua ni beza dia 1 cm. Tu baru kita panggil parallel lines. And how about transversal line? Okay, a line that crosses two or more other lines in the same plane. Ni the same plane tu macam dalam skeping kertas yang sama lah. Plane yang sama. Okay, in the following figure, T is transversal to L1 and L2. So this is L1, this is L2. So T ni ada langgar kat sini pula. That is what we call transversal lines. Okay, angles created by parallel and transversal line. Okay, corresponding angles. When parallel lines are crossed by transversal line, the angle in the same relative position on each lines are called corresponding angles. Okay, katakan kita ada dua parallel line. Line ni dengan line ni adalah parallel. So kita tahu that angle yang corresponding to each other is 1 and 5, sorry. This one is 1 and 5. Dia punya angle adalah sama. How about another angle? Okay. 3 and 7, angle kat sini dengan kat sini, dia adalah equal. Lagi apa angle yang sama? Okay. Angle 8, angle 8 and angle 4 dia sama. Lagi? Jawab kawan-kawan saya dengar lah kawan-kawannya. 2 dengan 6 ni angle dia sama. Itu adalah corresponding angle yang terbit daripada yang is defined by parallel line if it is crossed by a transversal line. So nanti bila you dapat soalan, you kena tahulah cara nak guna ni. Angles created by parallel and transversal line. So basically X dengan X ni dia adalah sama. This one, this area and this one adalah sama. This area dengan this area pula, this angle dengan this angle also the same. Okay. Yang ni pun sama jugalah kan. Ni kan bertentangan. Ingat tak tadi yang saya ajar tu? Ni pun bertentangan juga. Ni pun bertentangan juga. Sama lah. Okay. Angles created by parallel and transversal lines. Okay. Find C. This is C. If A is 80 degree, A is 80 degree, and B is 30 degree. So, dia suruh cari C. So, angle of A and D is equal. A and D ni sama. So, kita tahu A adalah 80 degree. So, D adalah 80 degree also. And then, what else? We have B is equal to F. Angle of B is equal to angle of F. So, this one is 30. Dia dah bagi kan? Ini dia bagi. A dia dah bagi 80 kan? B pun dia dah bagi 30. Dia dah bagi. Ni daripada soalan. So, kita tahu A dengan B ni adalah yang diberi. So, kita tahu juga by the rules that rules from parallel and transversal line tu, kita tahu A dengan D adalah sama dia punya angle. So this one kita tahu dia 80 juga. And another rules of parallel and transversal line, kalau B 30, F also 30 kan? Ni kan? Lepas tu apa lagi yang kita boleh denote? So since D adalah 80, E also adalah 80 sebab dia angle yang bertentangan kan? Okay, dan kita tahu. Lagi satu undang-undang yang kita patut tahu adalah triangle. So, the summation of the angle dalam ni must be equal to 180. Okay, triangle total A, B, C, A plus B plus C must be equal to 180 degree. So, kita tahu kat sini 80 plus 30 plus I don't know what must be equal to 180. So, 80 plus 30 is 110 plus H lah. Oh, warna merah apa ni? Kepala student saya. Plus, kita letak H lah terus kat sini. Kita letak H lah. Must be equal to 180 degree. So, what is H? Left hand side minus dengan 110. Right hand side also minus 110. So, H is equal to 70 degree. So, saya tahu H kat sini adalah 70 degree. So, macam mana nak tahu C ni? So, kita ambil undang-undang yang supplementary itulah. Kalau garis lurus must be equal to 180 kan? So, kita dah tahu dah kat sini tadi 70 degree. So, kat sini berapa? So, of course lah 180 degree minus dengan 70 degree. So, 170 degree minus 70 degree is 110 degree. Okay? Alright, kita tengok next video.